Hi everybody, my name is Borna, I'm from Croatia, Europe, and this is my CS50 final project. It's an app on which you can search for a movie, take a look at its details, and make a comment about it if you register logged in on a page. The app was built with Python Flask, and the movie database was retrieved by a movie listing application using JavaScript, jQuery, along with Axios for making HTTP requests. So this is the layout of my app with a standard header, body, and footer part. When you search for a movie, it's going to send a request to the API and bring back movies that match search criteria. If you click on more, it sets the ID in session storage, and another request is sent to the API searching for the movie by the ID, and the user then gets the result in a form defined in a JavaScript file, which outputs information stored in the API. In the header there's a navigation bar, there's an about page which displays all the relevant sources for making this app. There's a commentary page which currently displays some comments generated from JSON file, which is part of my code. User can create an account with a register page by using register form, which was created by using Flask WTF and WT forms and various validators. All this information will then be stored in an SQLite database in a safe way by using Flask SQL Alchemy and Flask Bcrypt. User can then log in with login form, and if user forgets a password, he or she can then use the reset password form and receive reset token. This is done with Flask Mail and Dangerous module. I will pause for a second just for I can log in. So after user logs in, he is then directed to the commentary page when then he or she can see all the comments. Then he can get to the account page and update it with update account form. Avatar pictures are saved with the save picture function, which uses image class from the PL module. And finally, the last functionality is that the user can post a new comment with the post form, and then the comment will appear in the commentary section. That's it about my app.